No pineapples. Cleo, I spy.
Nana! Nana! Nana!
Hey now, I ain't your Nana.
Bah!
Nana? Oh, banana. Yeah, I see it now.
Gets it. Me wants it.
Sure, but first let's do a devotion. The Big 92. 1 Samuel 15:1. Samuel also said unto Saul, The Lord sent me to anoint thee to be king over his people, over Israel. Now therefore hearken thou unto the voice of the words of the Lord. Thus saith the Lord of hosts, I remember that which Amalek did to Israel, how he laid wait for him in the way, when he came up from Egypt. Now go and smite Amalek, and utterly destroy all that they have, and spare them not, but slay both man and woman, infant and suckling, ox and sheep, camel and ass. When we come to verses like these, our heart instinctively breaks to see the command that every one be slain, right down to the children. And yet, as always, there is a righteous reason for everything God does. Samuel hearkened back to what Amalek did to Israel when they came up out of Egypt. Here is a bit more detail on that. Deuteronomy 25:17. Remember what Amalek did unto thee by the way, when ye were come forth out of Egypt, how he met thee by the way, and smote the hindmost of thee, even all that were feeble behind thee, when thou wast faint and weary, and he feared not God. When Israel was at their lowest point, Amalek snuck up behind them and murdered the weakest of them. God would not forget that, and now was the time for judgment to fall because of it. But it was not just a matter of what happened in the past that precipitated this command. The book of Esther, written hundreds of years later, show a descendant of Amalek trying to kill every Jew on the face of the earth, thousands of years before Hitler ever conceived of such horror. This command that God gave, had it been fully obeyed, would have stopped that near Holocaust from ever even beginning. Do realize that everything God does or commands has a reason, even if we in our day will never understand it. He has never been anything but good to us. So trust even when you cannot comprehend.
Yummy, yummy in me tummy.
There might be giants afoot. Friends, have a blessed day.